Yeah, actually, ZLP we do not define. ZLP was defined by us. ZLP we taken some other person was defined while she was doing some activity was missed during the creation. I mean, during the customization of the document type. Okay, let us take a standard document type for creation of schedule agreement. ME31L. Let us do one thing. Let us remove all this. Okay, let us take let me change the these also. We can use LP and LP. If you want to do customization, you can go with customization. Let us go with agreement type LP. Yeah. Purchasing log, purchasing group, plant, storage location. Let us maintain the validity period. And then we need to go for maintain the material, target quantity, price, and also we need to go to item details, and here we need to maintain the confirmation control key, and also you need to go to additional data, and let us check creation profile and just-in-time indicator assigned or not. Let us check, and we need to save this agreement. Okay. Now let me save this. So the agreement was created. Okay. I'll take this screenshot as well. I didn't take initial screens. It. Let me display the scheduling agreement. This is the scheduling agreement we created. Okay, now let's go and maintain scheduling lines. Select it and edit. And first you need to maintain delivery schedules, right? And let us go today's date 20, 20, 21, 21, 22, 23, 24. Let us take 26. And again 26, and let's take I'm taking some quantity. Okay, it is within the day, right? So let us take the timings. Doesn't require time. Okay. I maintain these quantities. Okay. Let us take this screenshot. Okay, we maintain schedule lines. It and save it. Okay. Now go to again, and also we need to go to header, and now click on this generate JIT schedule. Okay. Let me take a print of it. Edit and generate just-in-time schedules. You can see, right, a delivery schedule created under scheduling agreement. Now take this snap of it. We can see this notification message. Okay. Now select the item and go to item and go to SCA release documentation. Okay. Item SCA release documentation. Here you can see one just-in-time schedule was created. Last time we got error message, right? Not just-in-time schedule was created, but the error message what it got is it doesn't have any messages created. Okay, output type determination for that document type not getting. Somehow it adds some issue. Okay, that's the reason why we go for a standard document type. Okay, one scheduling line was generated for JIT. Select the item and go to schedule lines. Let me go. Let me open it. Go to schedule lines release, which are released. Okay. Select the line item. I mean, schedule line just in time. Go to schedule lines. See, 21, 20, 300, 21, 200, 22, 200, 2300. Why these are getting like this? Because let me show you that why it is getting like this. And First of all, let me take a screenshot of it. Then you can understand. See, this is the creation profile, right? See, here, what we have maintained. Let's go to schedule lines. See, daily aggregation means every day, whatever the quantities you maintain, it will be aggregated into a single day. Okay. See, and also we need to have another one what we maintained. Let us open this screenshot as well so that you can understand it better. See, 20, how much quantity you maintain on 20? See here, 20, 200, 100, right? So it will be aggregated as daily aggregation. So 20, how much quantity? 300 quantity available. So how much it got aggregated now? See, 300 quantity. Okay. Now 21, how much quantity? 50, 150. So 200, right? So it aggregated into 200. Next 22nd, we have only 200. So it is only one day aggregation, right? So it got 200. And 23, 24, 100, 150. 100, 150. This is how the daily aggregation works. Okay. For example, if I maintain no aggregation for 5 days, let's assume, for example, let me change in creation profile. How it works, let's see. Okay, I'm not saving this schedule line. Okay, I didn't click on save. Okay, till now. So let me go for creation profile. Then release creation profile. First, plant DPL1. Go to details, go to origin. Let me give you 2 days no aggregation. Okay, that means 2021 no aggregation. Enter. From third day onwards, it will be aggregated. Now save. Now let me go and check again. So let me close this and let me no, I'm not saving anything. Item SC release documentation. You can see no JIT because we didn't save anything, right? Let me do an again. Edit. Generate JIT schedule. See, it was generated. Now item SC release documentation. You go and check at here. You can see the aggregation was changed. No aggregation for 2 days. Daily aggregation was 10 days. Okay. Now let us see how it got generated. Schedule lines. See, 2020 is not collided because no aggregation for 2 days. 2021 not aggregate. Again 22, 23, whatever we maintain, those will be aggregated. See, 22, 23 is the single days. 24 are single day. 26. Let us see 26 is aggregated or not. See, 26 was aggregated. That is the aggregation process used in release documentation. Okay. Now let us change it to Again, its original place. Let's change it. Okay. Click on save. Close it. Let me reopen this transaction, and I am not saving. I'm just quitting out. Let us do it. Edit, generate, just-in-time scheduling, schedules, item, SA release documentation. One schedule was generated. Go and see. Now it is got aggregated every day. Okay. Let me take a screenshot of it. Now click on save. Okay. Scheduling agreement was changed. Go back and save it. Now let us this is the agreement, right? Let us display this agreement. Me33F. Now let us do the next steps. Like after the steps was common to LP, like we need to create one inbound delivery and we can receive it. Okay. Let us remaining. Let me put to create inbound delivery and courses. Again, the remaining steps are similar as we done earlier, right? For LP, both are same. So now let us create for forecast delivery. Okay. Let me create ME31. Okay. Forecast schedule. Same. Create schedule increment. Cheat code ME31L. Validity end. Okay. Now save it. sorry, I forgot to find few things. We need to go for additional data. Okay, it was assigned. Now go for item details and maintain a confirmation control. Okay, let's go and maintain schedule lines. Maintain schedule lines. Select item, edit, item, delivery schedule, same similar process. Let us one thing, let us keep directly 24, right? Right, we given for how many days we given actually in creation profile. Here is the creation profile. 20 days, right? 20 days means how many weeks? It will be like 2 weeks, 3 weeks, something, right? So we got through 3 weeks from here. So let us maintain not 2021. Let us give directly next week second. Okay, and then this is the 7th week, right? 7th week was completed. Next 8th week we maintained only 21st, and 2nd week we maintained let us give 4. Let us give 8. I'm giving 1 week, 1 day. Okay, let us give 15 minutes. Okay, I had given on this date. Let us take a snap of this scheduling delivery. Okay. Now let me save it. Okay, I saved. Now let us go and generate forecast. You can see here, right? You need to select this item and edit and click on forecast. Forecast was generated. We can use the scheduling agreement. Generate forecast schedule. Okay, generated. Now go and see that. See here. Last time we generated just in time. Now we generated forecast. Select it and click on this Data, set documentation, select it, go to schedule lines. See, what are the schedules we done actually? This one, right? Let me zoom it. See, this is how we done, but we done weekly aggregation. Okay. Now let me show you that. Okay. The first week is something like 7th week, right? 7/2022, 7th week. See, 7th week, how much quantity it got? 200 quantity. So 7th week we maintained 150 plus 50, 200. So it is aggregated to 200. Okay. Now what is the 8th week we maintained? 21 to 27, right? 21 to 27, we only maintain 21 only on that week. And that means 200, 100. That means 300. It was created as 300. 9th week, we 28 to 6. 28 to 6 means second available, 4th available. So 300, 200 equal to 500, 500 plus 150, 550. Sorry, 500 plus 150, 650. Okay, 650 plus 40, 690. So here 690 aggregated, 9th week. Okay, what is the last week? 8 to 13. Okay. Sorry, what is the next week? 28 to 6 after 7 to 13, right? What is 7 to 13? That means 200 plus 300, 500. After 300, after 13, it is not aggregated to next week. Why? Because we maintained total aggregation was only 20 days. Okay, that is, let's count it. 7 days, 14 days, 14 plus 7, 14 plus 7. It is increasing 20 days, right? That is the reason why it is not considered the 15th date. 140 plus 100 was neglected. I mean, it is not taken into consideration in the aggregation process. This is how the system is calculating the forecast schedules and just-in-time schedules. Okay, you understand, right? How system got doing this aggregation process during forecast schedules and just-in-time schedules. Let me take this. Sure. And then we need to save it, right? We generated schedules, but we didn't save it. So we need to save it. So this is how we do the schedule agreement with documentation, I mean with release documentation. Any doubts here, Shashank or KV?
No.
Okay, Shashank, do you have any doubts? Shashank? Okay. After that, we will do the remaining process. It is the same, similar to LP. We create one inbound delivery and we will receive it. Okay. The remaining things will be similar to the same process. I will share this document as well with you guys. Okay. We need to do this configuration. What is the configuration steps for just in time? We need to activate in metal master data J8. For forecasting, it does not require. For J8 only, we require to maintain it. And also, what is the another configuration we done? We need to create a release creation profile, and we need to assign it in vendor master data. In order to maintain in vendor master data, first of all, we need to activate the additional purchasing data, and after that, in a different data, we maintain the plant assignment. Those steps will be done, right? Yeah. This is confirmation control. See here. First, we have done in add purchasing data, we assign the plant, right? After that, we maintain different data. In that data, we maintain plant data. It's DPL1. We need to maintain the plant one here. After that, in different data, we maintain the creation profile. After that, then we need to remove it from the plant. First, initially we maintained plant assignment, right? Because why we are removing means because vendor is considering as a supplying plant. That's the reason why we need to remove that plant from the vendor master record. Okay. During the STO process, you can better understand why we are assigning this plant. In STO process, we have a concept called transfer from plant to plant. In that process also, we need to assign this plant so that system is considering vendor is a plant. Okay. Okay. Any doubts, Kevin?
No, right now.